How are you?
Hi, Lady Gaga.
Guys, let's make space.
How's it going? We love the robe.
We love the robe.
Gaga, did you use your own wardrobe on American Idol?
Make a space, guys.
Are you now going to be an actress?
Right here, Gaga. One over the shoulder right here, baby.
What's up, Lisa? You guys friends? Oh, are you okay? Oh my God. Are you okay?
Gaga, Gaga. Gaga,
Make it look good, girl. Make it look good.
Gaga, right here, please. Guys, let's move from the car, guys.
Are you okay?
Let's move from the car.
Lady Gaga, are you okay? Man, she's so hot. Alright, let's drink.